A single jet engine can contain more than 20,000 precision parts working flawlessly at extreme temperatures and speeds. Jet engines are built inside advanced aerospace facilities where microscopic precision meets massive engineering scale. Manufacturing begins with turbine blades crafted from high-temperature superalloys capable of surviving extreme turbine blade macro, intricate cooling channels, mesmerizing engineering moment. Blade macro match cut into casting process reveal. Precision casting techniques form complex internal structures, allowing blades to remain strong while staying lightweight. CNC machining refines blade geometry, ensuring aerodynamic efficiency and perfect balance. Blade machining sparks satisfying precision engineering moment. Protective ceramic coatings are applied to turbine blades, allowing them to withstand extreme combustion temperatures. Compressor sections are manufactured to draw in air, compressing it before combustion begins. Compressor blade row symmetry, satisfying engineering moment. Shafts connect compressor and turbine sections, transmitting rotational energy across the engine. Shaft machining macro precision balance engineering moment. Transition, shaft motion match cut into bearing installation reveal. Bearings enable smooth rotation, allowing engine components to spin at extremely high speeds safely. Bearing installation macro mechanical precision moment. Fuel nozzles are engineered to atomize fuel precisely, ensuring stable and efficient combustion. Fuel spray visualization, mesmerizing precision moment. Turbine sections extract energy from hot gases, driving the compressor and sustaining engine operation. Engine modules are assembled combining compressor, combustor, turbine, and structural sections. Module stacking, a massive engineering milestone moment. Wiring and sensor systems are installed to monitor performance, temperature, vibration, and safety parameters. Sensor installation macro, intelligent aerospace system moment. The nacelle is manufactured to house the engine while improving aerodynamics and reducing noise. Autoclaves apply heat and pressure, ensuring structural strength and consistency across components. Engine integration combines core modules, nacelle, and support systems into a complete turbofan unit. A dramatic engineering milestone, the full turbofan assembly. Detailed inspections verify alignment clearances and structural integrity before performance testing. Completed engines move to test facilities where performance is validated under real operating conditions. The engine is mounted on a massive test stand. The cinematic moment arrives as the engine starts. Full thrust testing evaluates stability, vibration, and performance across operating ranges. Engine thrust blast, dramatic power cinematic moment. Transition, thrust blast, match cut into thermal testing reveal. Thermal testing ensures components survive extreme heat generated during continuous operation. Thermal imaging overlay, precision validation moment. Noise testing measures acoustic performance, helping engineers reduce sound levels for safer operations. Certification verifies engines meet strict safety performance and regulatory standards before entering service. Engines are prepared for delivery using protective covers, specialized transport frames, and logistics planning. Engine transport frame installation, a massive scale readiness moment. Specialized transport moves engines safely to aircraft assembly lines across the world.
Alignment looks good. Check the fan. Copy. Inspecting now. See that vibration? Check the housing. Tightening the bolts now. Good. Looks stable. Let's clear. Confirmed. Ground testing ensures engines operate correctly within the aircraft system before flight.
During flight, jet engines generate thrust by accelerating air, producing the power required for lift and travel. Airflow passes through compressor, combustor, and turbine sections in a continuous high-energy cycle. Airflow animation match cut into efficiency comparison reveal. Modern turbofan engines are designed to maximize efficiency, reduce emissions, and improve performance. This comparison highlights the gains in pressure ratio and thermal efficiency. Now, advanced materials and aerodynamics continue improving engine reliability and fuel efficiency. Engine maintenance ensures long-term performance safety and operational reliability. Engine maintenance hangar scale aviation moment. Future jet engines will rely on new materials, hybrid propulsion, and improved aerodynamic design. A concept visualization match cut into electric propulsion reveal. Hybrid and electric propulsion technologies aim to reduce fuel consumption and environmental impact. Electric aircraft propulsion visualize futuristic aviation match cut into sustainable fuel reveal. Sustainable aviation fuels offer a pathway to lower emissions while maintaining engine performance. Global aviation infrastructure connects engine manufacturing, airlines, maintenance, and flight operations worldwide. Aviation network montage match cut into technology impact reveal. Jet engine manufacturing represents one of the most advanced engineering achievements in modern aviation. Thousands of precision components must operate together flawlessly for safe and efficient flight.
Team, synchronize these calibrations for optimal thrust and safety. Pressures aligned.
Engineers, technicians, and scientists collaborate to design, build, test, and maintain modern jet engines.
Align the turbine blades precisely here. Understood. Checking tolerance. Simulations confirm the new alloy.
Research drives new propulsion technologies, materials, and efficiency improvements, shaping aviation's future. Experimental propulsion concept, futuristic innovation moment. Concept match cut into aircraft evolution reveal. Aviation technology continues expanding global connectivity, commerce, and transportation capabilities. From factory floor to aircraft wing, jet engine manufacturing reflects precision, scale, and engineering mastery. The journey from raw materials to flight represents decades of innovation, scientific progress, and engineering excellence. Behind every flight, jet engine factories quietly build the technology that powers global aviation. The final jet engine hero emerges from darkness.